Hey, man, we got an EZGO here. No BS. Let's get to it, man. Don't run. Customer brought it in. Charger works. In the run position. Let's see what's going on with it. I'm going to take it, put it in forward. Got to have the key on. All right, I'm going to put it in reverse. In reverse, I have no reverse buzzer. That right there should tell you something already. But let's put it in. All right, check voltage. We're going to put it on volts DC. That's V with a straight line. Put on the main positive, main negative. We can't hit the gas and test the batteries because the cylinder doesn't click. But you can see we have 51 volts. All right. Now, the first thing you do when you go to a 48 volt cart is turn it, put it in reverse. All right. Reverse buzzer don't work. You check one thing only: the read switch or the charging port. Well, you bypass the charging port. All right. So unplug the charging port there. On back of your charging port, you have the anti-lockout switch. If this customer does not have the charging port unplugged, or the reverse buzzer done away with, it should have come on in reverse, and it don't. So what we're going to do, we're going to bypass it. We're going to take a wire, stick it inside the harness side of the plug. You can see, you stick it inside there, make contacts. All right. Then you take the other end, hook it to the main positive. Now right there, you hear the reverse buzzer come on. Hear it? Watch this. Unhooked it, it goes off. When I hook it back up, all right, what that tells me is that the charging port is bad on the charger lockout side. Hold it back there. We're going to make it run. Got it in reverse. I'm going to hit the gas. All right, just like that, man. This is the fastest golf cart troubleshooting on YouTube right here. Diagnosed the car, charged the customer for a charging plug, send it back, picked it up, brought it back to their house within 35 minutes. All right, and that's what it's about, man. We're trying to get the carts out. We're trying to get y'all's cart out of your house, out of your ground. Excuse me, out of your garage on the road. All right, watch my channel, man. We always throwing tips like this. Stay tuned, man. Watch many of my videos. A lot of them is like this. I have a bunch of in-depth, and I have a bunch of simple stuff like this, man. Always remember, watch my video, and hey.